Is this the truck that finally knocks the Ford Raptor and Ram RHO off their throne? The 2027 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Bison is back, and it's raising the bar for flagship off-road trucks all over again, combining serious trail capability, next-level tech, and a driving experience that feels almost effortless. Chevy gave the ZR2 Bison a bolder face this year, a taller, squared-off front grille, sharper animated LED lighting, and a high-clearance stamped steel bumper built to shrug off obstacles. Flush-mounted recovery loops keep the front end clean, while 18-inch beadlock-capable AEV wheels wrapped in aggressive 35-inch mud-terrain tires give the truck serious road presence. Around back, a blacked-out tailgate, oversized corner step bumpers, and dual exhaust tips finish the look. It's a design that reads as tough, modern, and genuinely upscale from every angle. Wider fender flares house the massive tire package, while a functional hood scoop hints at what's breathing underneath. Even small details like blacked-out badging and a raised AEV skid plate visible up front signal that this truck means business before it ever leaves the pavement. Under the hood, the ZR2 Standard runs a reworked 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel. Buyers wanting old-school V8 muscle can step up to an all-new 5.7-liter or 6.6-liter naturally aspirated small block. Both made it to a smooth 10-speed automatic. Four-wheel drive is standard across the board, backed by electronic front and rear locking differentials. A front-facing off-road camera and 33-degree approach angle make placing those tires over obstacles far less guesswork, while a factory-fitted winch mount keeps recovery gear ready to go without hunting for aftermarket brackets. Step inside and the ZR2 Bison feels more like a tech showcase than a work truck. A 12.2-inch digital gauge cluster pairs with a massive 16.3-inch center touchscreen running Chevy's latest infotainment software. AEV-branded head restraints, sound-insulated leather seating, real carbon fiber trim, and adjustable ambient lighting round out a cabin built to compete with luxury SUVs. Add in a premium Bose sound system, GM Super Cruise hands-free driving, and over-the-air updates, and this truck is as much a rolling tech platform as it is a trail machine. A wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and a household-style power outlet keep gear charged on long overland trips, while heated and ventilated front seats add a layer of comfort you don't always expect in a truck built for the trail. On price, Chevy's staying competitive with the segment. The 2027 Silverado ZR2 base is projected to start around $72,000, while the fully loaded AEV Bison edition kicks off near $80,000 before options. Put it all together, and the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Bison is a genuinely compelling mix of luxury, capability, and cutting-edge tech. Chevy's flagship off-roader isn't just keeping pace with the competition, it's pushing the whole segment forward. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe to Improve Autos for more in-depth truck breakdowns.